What's going on, guys? This is William Dauria again, and we're going to talk about property management. What is it? How do you benefit? And where do you find it? And if we're just meeting, I own single family, multifamily, and commercial units as well. I was financially free by 32 years old from one secret alone: hard work and dedication. Bet you didn't see that coming. No, seriously, guys, this channel is all about real estate investing and personal finance. So let's get into it. What is property management in the first place? So if you're thinking about becoming a real estate investor and you are a buy and hold investor, basically you buy a house, you fix it up, and then you rent it out continuously. You rent it out, okay? Property manager is this. A property manager will step into your shoes and actually manage that property. They will find a good tenant. They will screen that tenant. They'll make sure they don't put any overly big dogs in your house. They don't get smokers in your house, if you so desire not to have them. And they'll also be sure to keep the property maintained as well. This is an example that just happened a couple hours ago. Ring, ring, I get a call. Hey, Tammy, what's going up? She's from a property management company just north of me, and she manages about 6 of my properties in that area. And she said, hey, I got an AC in one of your properties that needs to be replaced. She's already done this. She's already got several quotes for me. I didn't even know about this issue yet. Several quotes for me. This is what they are. I'll send them to your email. Look them over. Let me know which one you want to go with, okay? So because this job was over my tier of a phone call, which is $300, anything under $300, they just go ahead and take care of. Anything over $300, they call me. In this case, it was $5,100 was one of the quotes I went with, but I was getting quotes from $5,100 all the way up to $8,800. Let me explain something that a lot of people don't even realize. So when you hire a property manager, they have people, I'm gonna say like an in-house kind of a deal where they get discounts that you normally wouldn't get. So if I were to hire AC Joe number one, it's the same guy, to do a job outside of the property management company, I might have been charged $6,100. But because he works specifically through this property management company, I get a discount, in this case, of $1,000 for this one repair. I pay the property manager for that house alone $120 a month to do everything, including collecting the rent, which brings me to another point. They only get paid if they collect your rent. Do you think that they want to get paid? Absolutely they do. For instance, it's $1,000 per month. When they collect the rent, they will take out their, say, 10%, 9 to 11 is typical, and then they will send you a check in the mail for your about $900 a month on that $1,000 property. They will also take care of all the hard conversations that can come up occasionally with tenants. Also, they can also go to court on your behalf or go with you if there is an issue to be had. Also, one of the greatest benefits to me, and this is far overlooked, most people don't even talk about this when they talk about property management, is they take care of your initial accounting for the year. At the end of the year, I can request my income and expense sheet. They will provide me with everything that I need on every single property broke down. I have my income column, my expense column, my net column. Everything is perfect. I literally take it, I hand it to my CPA or your accountant, whoever you have, and I'm done with that. I don't have to do anything else as long as you let all the income go through them and all the expenses go through them as well, which I highly recommend. It's a flawless end of the year. When it comes to filing your taxes, doing your taxes, and you have property management in place, it's such a burden taken off your shoulders when it comes to tax time. Because any business owner out there will know tax season is a nightmare that nobody but an accountant looks forward to. And one more thing before we get on to how do you find a good property manager is they keep up with all the current regulations and laws as well. Their contracts are specifically looked over by their own attorneys. Everything is basically cross the T's and dot the I's for you. So you don't have to also try to do their job and then maybe do it wrong and then only find out later if you go to court that what you signed doesn't hold up because it wasn't the proper XYZ form. So they also take care of that as well. Now, if you want to take care of your own property management, up to 10 units is doable. And there are software programs out there, if you look on Google, that can definitely assist you if you so desire, take on this job yourself. And off to the last one, where do you find a good property management company? It's as easy as this. And this will blow a lot of people away on how easy it is to actually find this. So here on my computer, I typed in property management company on Google and I hit enter, okay? So it's gonna bring you up a map. It's gonna look something like this. Okay, so here we are on my computer, and this right here is literally just a shotgun of what you're gonna find when you type in property management company. And then you're gonna scroll down, you're gonna look at the reviews, and then obviously read those reviews, make sure that they're highly reviewed, that kind of stuff. And then even call a couple companies to make sure that they sound like they're gonna be a good fit for you. Tell them what you do, ask them what they charge, ask them what they provide, stuff like that. So that's pretty much it for property management, guys. Guys, what I'm saying is it's possible to do it yourself if you're willing to put in the work. You can deal with the hard conversations. You can outsource all the repairs needed all throughout the night if need be, taking those phone calls, and you can take care of all the legal documents yourself to save 10% a month. That's okay. Some people do it. I've heard of investors doing it up to the first 25 properties, but it can consume, however, 20 hours per week of your time. Now, not every week or month is going to be a hard month. Some months are going to be so easy, and you're going to be like, why do I pay this property manager anything at all? All they did was collect the check. And then the next month hits, and it's a nightmare. It is a cluster, and you're so glad that you have them on board. So, guys, if you have any questions about property management, I endorse it directly because I basically started with property management. I did a little bit of it by myself, and I ended up hiring a property manager, and I realized very, very quickly how much more time and energy it gives back to me per day. Like I said, literally just me being frustrated ruins my entire day. I would just rather let somebody else take those conversations, let them take care of the repairs. I don't even need to know about it, and I definitely don't want to be frustrated over it, because being frustrated is also worth some money as well. Guys, that's all I have today. I make videos on real estate, personal finance. If you like these kind of videos, please consider subscribing, or you can do nothing at all. It's okay with me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. What's going on, guys? It's William Dauria, and this video is all, I don't know what this video is about. And if we're just meeting, oh my gosh.